Let's talk about AirDrop, a feature that's always felt like magic when it works. It's one of those things you don't really think about until you need it, and then you wonder how you ever lived without it. The ability to send files instantly, without any setup or hassle, has changed the way we share memories, work documents, and even silly memes with friends and family. Imagine you want to send a photo, a video, or maybe a PDF from your iPhone to a friend's iPad, or even to your own MacBook. In the past, you might have had to email it, upload it to a cloud service, or fumble around with cables and adapters. But with AirDrop, it's as simple as a few taps. No cables, no emails, no cloud uploads, just tap, select, and it's there in seconds. It's almost like teleporting your files from one device to another, and it works so seamlessly that it feels like a little bit of everyday magic. AirDrop's appeal is its simplicity. It uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to create a direct, secure connection between devices. You don't even need to be on the same Wi-Fi network, which means you can share files anywhere, anytime, as long as you're nearby. It's fast, reliable, and doesn't eat up your data plan. Whether you're in a park, a coffee shop, or just hanging out at home, sharing is effortless. It's perfect for those spontaneous moments, like snapping a group photo and instantly sending it to everyone, or quickly passing a presentation to a colleague before a meeting. But as magical as it feels, there's always been one sticking point: who can see your device and who you can see. Sometimes you want to share with someone new, but you don't want your device to be visible to just anyone nearby. The options: receiving off, contacts only, and everyone for 10 minutes, each have their own trade-offs. Receiving off keeps you private but makes sharing impossible. Contacts only is safer, but what if the person you want to share with isn't in your contacts, and everyone for 10 minutes opens you up to anyone nearby, which can be risky in public places. Receiving off, contacts only, everyone for 10 minutes. These are the choices you have to juggle every time you want to share something. It's a balancing act between privacy and convenience, and it's not always clear which is best in the moment. Everyone for 10 minutes is handy for sharing with new people, but it exposes you to random files from strangers. We've all heard stories, or maybe experienced it ourselves, of getting an unexpected AirDrop from someone you don't know, which can be awkward or even unsettling. Apple's been searching for a way to make sharing with someone new as easy as with a contact, without sacrificing privacy. The goal is to keep that magical instant sharing experience, but make it smarter and safer for everyone. The old workaround, adding someone to your contacts or switching to everyone, was never as smooth as it should be. It interrupted the flow, made things awkward, and sometimes even led to missed moments. Sure, it worked, but it wasn't perfect. There was always a sense that AirDrop could be even better, more intuitive, more private, and just as fast. That's the problem Apple set out to solve. They wanted to keep the magic of instant sharing alive, while making it smarter and safer for everyone, so you can share what you want, with who you want, whenever you want, and never have to worry about who's watching. Enter iOS 26.2 and AirDrop Codes, a simple, secure way to share with non-contacts. Instead of making your device visible to everyone, AirDrop Codes let you create a temporary, trusted link by verifying a code. No more switching to everyone for 10 minutes and hoping you pick the right device in a crowd. With AirDrop Codes, you don't need to exchange phone numbers or worry about unwanted files from strangers. It's a one-time, secure connection, quick, private, and easy. This feature rolled out with iOS 26.2 and is now available on all compatible devices. It's a small change, but it makes AirDrop safer and more convenient for everyone. Apple's still focused on refining the details that matter. Here's how AirDrop Codes work. Start by tapping the share icon on the file you want to send, then tap AirDrop. At the bottom, you'll see a new option: Share with a code. The receiver opens Control Center, long presses the connectivity platter, taps AirDrop, and selects Receive with a code. Their device displays a unique 6-digit code. You enter that code on your device, confirming you're connecting to the right person. Once verified, the receiver's device appears in your AirDrop list. Tap their icon, send the file, and they get the standard accept or decline prompt. The whole process takes just a few extra seconds but adds a powerful layer of security. It's as fast and reliable as classic AirDrop, just smarter. For anyone who's ever used AirDrop, this new process feels instantly familiar, yet refreshingly improved. It's designed to be as seamless as possible, building on the simplicity you already know and love. To get started, just open the file you want to share, whether it's a photo, a document, or even a video. Tap the Share button, select AirDrop, and then choose the new option, Share with a Code. Your iPhone now scans for nearby devices that are also in code mode. This means you won't see a cluttered list of random strangers' devices, especially in crowded places like airports or conferences. When your phone detects the intended receiver, you'll be prompted to enter a unique 6-digit code. This code is provided by the person you want to share with, ensuring your files go exactly where you want them to. Once you type in the code, their device instantly appears at the very top of your AirDrop list, clearly marked and ready to receive your file. No more guessing or accidental shares. After the code is accepted, simply tap their icon and send the file. The transfer is fast, secure, and you get a confirmation right away that your file is on its way. Here's the best part. This authorization isn't just for a single transfer. It actually lasts for 30 days, so you don't have to repeat the process every time. For the next month, you can share files with that person as often as you like, without ever needing to enter the code again. It's perfect for ongoing projects or frequent collaborations. Their device will always show up at the top of your AirDrop list, making follow-up sharing effortless and saving you valuable time. This feature is ideal for work teams, classmates, or even new acquaintances you meet at events. It streamlines the process and keeps your workflow moving. No more awkward moments fumbling to exchange contact details, or having to set up AirDrop again and again. It's all about making sharing as smooth as possible. With these updates, AirDrop just got a whole lot smarter, more secure, and more convenient for everyone. As the receiver, your experience is just as simple. Open Control Center, long press the wireless module, tap AirDrop, and select Receive with a Code. Your device displays a 6-digit code. Show it to the sender. Only someone using the code method can connect, so your privacy is protected. Once the sender enters the code, you get the standard AirDrop prompt to accept or decline the file. Accept, and the file is saved to your device. This temporary connection lasts for 30 days, so future sharing is instant. You never have to add someone to your contacts or expose your device to everyone. It's secure, intentional, and perfect for temporary connections. AirDrop codes make sharing safe and effortless. AirDrop codes are a clear upgrade over the old methods. Previously, you had to choose between privacy and convenience. Contacts only was safe but limited. Everyone for 10 minutes was risky and clumsy. Adding someone as a temporary contact was awkward and messy. AirDrop codes solve all of this. You connect directly, privately, and securely, with no public broadcasting. The code ensures you're sharing with the right person. No more guessing in crowded places. You're protected from unsolicited files, and sharing is faster than ever. It's a massive improvement in both user experience and privacy. No more trade-offs, just seamless, secure sharing. AirDrop is finally as simple as it should be. AirDrop codes strike the perfect balance between privacy and convenience. The old everyone setting was convenient but risky. Now you get both. The code system means only the intended person can connect, blocking random strangers. This peace of mind encourages more people to use AirDrop in public. For professionals, students, or anyone making new connections, it's a game changer. The 30-day authorization is brilliant. Share once, and you're set for a month. No need to exchange contact info for a one-off transfer. If you don't interact again, the connection expires automatically. It's a smart, self-managing system. Temporary, secure, and frictionless. Apple's made AirDrop more useful for real-world situations. It's the best of both worlds, built right in. Sharing has never been this easy or safe. After you've used AirDrop codes to share files or information, it's important to know how to manage your temporary connections. Apple has made this process simple and transparent, so you always know who has access to your device and for how long. Just head to Settings, tap on General, then AirDrop. Here, you'll find a clear list of everyone you've authorized to connect with your device, along with a countdown showing exactly how much time remains for each connection. This makes it easy to keep track of your digital interactions and maintain your privacy. If you ever want to revoke someone's access before the timer runs out, it's as simple as swiping left on their name and tapping delete. Instantly, their connection is removed, giving you peace of mind and total control. With these controls, you're always in charge of who can see your device and when. You can adjust your privacy settings at any time, tailoring your AirDrop experience to fit your needs. Whether you want to be discoverable to everyone, just your contacts, or no one at all, this isn't just a feature for tech-savvy professionals. It's designed for everyone. Whether you're sharing photos at a party, collaborating on a group project in class, or simply sending a document to a friend, AirDrop Codes make secure sharing accessible to all. Now, you don't have to hesitate or worry about your privacy when using AirDrop. The process is straightforward, and you can share with confidence, knowing you're protected. AirDrop Codes lower the barrier for safe, easy sharing. They're quick to set up, and just as easy to manage or remove when you're done. It's a thoughtful upgrade that addresses real concerns about digital privacy and convenience, making everyday sharing less stressful and more secure. In a world where digital privacy is more important than ever, having these tools at your fingertips is a huge win for users everywhere. AirDrop was already a fantastic way to share, but now it's smarter, safer, and more practical for everyday life. It's a small change in your daily routine, but one that will positively impact millions of people, making digital sharing safer and more convenient for everyone.